Hey guys, welcome back to Voltage Learning. In today's circuit, we've got a series circuit with several different components within the circuit. Two current sources, one 5 amps and 2 amps, flowing opposite directions, and three resistors, R1, R2, and R load. Our mission is to find the voltage across our load given the current configuration of the circuit. So while this might look like a daunting task, we can split this up into three simple steps. In step one, let's first understand the circuit and understand what really is going on. According to the law of current conservation, all the current in the circuit must be constant and can't really go anywhere since this isn't a parallel setup. Now we know that we have a 5 amp and a 2 amp current source flowing in opposite directions. Therefore, if we superimpose these on each other, we understand that there is a net 3 amp current flowing through the entire circuit. Now, using this information, we can move to step number 2, which is where we apply Ohm's law. We know that Ohm's law is V equals IR. And in this case, we know that the net current is 3 amps, which we established from step number 1, and the load resistance is going to be 100 ohms. Therefore, V equals 3 amps times 100 ohms, which is 300 volts. Now in step 3, we need to do a quick sanity check to understand the polarity of the voltage. We've established ground in the circuit as the bottom rail of the circuit. Therefore, VR load is equal to V top minus V bottom. We know that V bottom is the ground and V top must be the 300 volts established in step number 2. Therefore, we can get our final answer to be VR load is plus 300 volts, which is our final answer. So, a difficult looking question we've solved in 3 simple steps with a quick little sanity check. If you want more circuits practice, interview questions, or just learning help, visit us at voltagelearning.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.